Welcome to a new open cup acrylic pour experiment. Today, I'm adding a special twist with a hidden surprise reveal at the end. Let's get started. I've masked off a triangle shape using painter's tape to create a bold contrast later on. This will stay covered while I work on the pour. I'm starting with a 200 milliliters black base to create a dramatic backdrop. Then, I layer about 30 milliliters each of gold, metallic red, deep purple, turquoise, and titanium white over the open cup on my 30 by 40 centimeters canvas. As I move the cup to the center, beautiful colored cells are already forming. I love how these metallics interact with the darker background. I carefully tilt the canvas to the right to preserve the cells while controlling the black negative space. Then, time to spin the canvas and watch it transform. Now for the exciting part, peeling off the tape to reveal the deep purple triangle underneath. It creates such a striking contrast with the swirling pour. I refine the triangle's edges and enhance its shine to make it stand out even more against the fluid background. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks so much for your support. I'm really happy with how this turned out. The combination of the smooth pour and the sharp geometric reveal gives this piece such a unique look. What do you think? Would you like to see more acrylic pours with hidden shapes? Let me know in the comments.